We call it our happy place, where we leave the shore and the mundane slips away. Time slows down, worries disappear, and adventure unfolds before us. A place where family comes together and bonds grow stronger, where lifelong memories are made and will endure through generations. At Kingfisher Boats, we are more than just creators of vessels. We are the catalysts of treasured moments, a gateway to extraordinary adventure. As nature lovers ourselves, we understand the exhilaration of the catch, the thrill of exploration, the bliss gifted to us by nature, and of course, the little moments in between. Every inch of the vessel is thoughtfully crafted to elevate your boating experience, to unleash your escape, and to embrace your inner captain. Kingfisher Boats, for the explorers, the dreamers, and those who yearn to sail into the unknown. Welcome to your happy place. Your adventure begins here.